Hello my dear students. This is my second class of matrices. Last class we have discussed about matrix and types of matrix. Now today we will go through this. Now definition of matrix. A definition of matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of some numbers or functions. That is our definition. And the numbers or functions, present or occurring in a matrix is known as its elements or entries. Numbers present or occurring in a matrix is known as elements or entries. Now, representation of a matrix. Representation of matrix. Let A be a matrix. Let A be a matrix of order m cross n. Let A be a matrix of order n cross n. That matrix represent as is equal to A11, A12, A13, A1, A21, A22, A23, A2n. A M1, A M2, A M3, A Mn. These elements are within square bracket or round bracket. Now we observe these horizontal lines. These horizontal lines are known as rows of the matrix, and the vertical lines are known as column of the matrix. The horizontal lines, these horizontal lines are rows. That is, this is our first row, this is our second row, then it is our nth row. This is our mth row. Similarly, this is our first column, this is our second column, this is our nth column. Okay. Now the total number of elements present in this matrix is the number of row multiplied by number of column. That is, this order of the matrix is m cross n. Here m number of rows and n number of columns. Therefore, the total number of elements present in this matrix is mn. The total number of elements present in a matrix is the total number of elements present in a matrix is the number of rows multiplied by number of columns. That is, in this example, the total number of elements present in this matrix is mn numbers. Let A be a matrix of order 3 cross. A be a matrix like Aij, the matrix of order 3 cross 4. Now, how many elements present in the matrix? That is, number of rows is 3 and number of columns is 4. then the total number of elements present in matrix A is 12. Now, every matrix can be written in the form of compact form. The above matrix can be written in compact form, that is, the given matrix A can be written in Aij of order m cross n. This form is known as compact form. This form is known as compact form. Okay? Now, we go through now types of matrix. हमें ये सब कल हमें डिस्कशन करथिले, जस्ट मु खाली आज कोन करछ हमको रिकॉल करछि. फर्स्ट रो मैट्रिक्स. रो मैट्रिक्स हमें कहा को कहबा गोटे मैट्रिक्स रे जदि हमें देखिबे जे सिंगल रो बा गोटे रो को हमें पाउछे, दैट मैट्रिक्स इज नोन एज रो मैट्रिक्स. इफ ए नंबर having or has only one row, then we say that is row matrix. For example, 1 2 3, this is our row matrix, and the order of the matrix is, this is 1 cross 3, 1 row and 3 columns. The order of this matrix is 3 1 cross 3. But in generally the order of row matrix is 1 cross n, where n is the number of columns in matrix. Okay. Similarly, column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. है गोटे मैट्रिक्स जदि देखिबा हमें गोटे कॉलम अछि, से मैट्रिक्स को हमें कोन कहबा कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. फॉर एग्जांपल A B C D. In this matrix there are number of rows, that is 4 number of rows and having only one column. This matrix is known as column matrix, and order of this matrix is 1 4 cross 1. And the general form of column matrix is m cross 1, that is m is the number of rows in the matrix. Now, rectangular matrix. In a matrix the number of rows is not equal to number of columns. That matrix is known as rectangular matrix. For a matrix of order m cross n, if m is not equal to n, then we say this matrix is known as rectangular matrix. Now, square matrix. This square matrix is very important. Square matrix is very important. When we say matrix is square, if the number of rows and number of column in a matrix same, number of column and number of row are same, then we say that matrix is known as square matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n. Of order n means the number of rows n and also column also n. Then matrix A can be denoted by or represented by A11, A12, A13, A1n, A21, A22, A23, A2n. Similarly, here number of rows also n. Therefore, A last row is An1, An2, An3, An. In this matrix can also written as Aij of n cross n. The element Aij, the element Aij for the square matrix A, for which I is equal to j, for which I is equal to j, that is A11, A22, An. Here I and the values of I and j are equal. So these elements are known as diagonal elements. That is A11, A22, An. Okay, and the diagonal elements are lie on a line. All the diagonal elements lie on a line. That line is known as main diagonal or principal diagonal or leading diagonal of the square matrix. Okay, if we go through left top to right bottom, if we go left top, that is A1 is our left top and An is our right bottom. If we go through this, all the elements are known as diagonal elements, and this line is known as diagonal, or we can say simple diagonal or main diagonal or principal diagonal, or also known as leading diagonals. Now null matrix. Null matrix means if a matrix is said to be null matrix, all the elements or every element of is 0. In a matrix, all the elements are 0. Like this is a matrix, all the elements are 0. You can say this is a 0 matrix or null matrix. That is, order of this matrix is 2 plus 3. In generally, null matrix or 0 matrix is denoted by 0, and order may be to m cross n, m number of row or n number of column. Then we can represent 0 matrix or null matrix is denoted by 0. Now diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means in a square matrix, except diagonal elements, all elements are 0. Then we say that is a diagonal matrix. That is, if Aij is equal to 0, the element Aij is equal to 0 if I is not equal to 0. Then we say that matrix is known as diagonal element. For example, in a second order square matrix, we can write a diagonal matrix, that is 2, 0, 0, 5. This is a diagonal matrix of order 2. Now we can write 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. This is also a diagonal element of order 3. Now, scalar matrix. A square matrix said to be a scalar matrix. Its diagonal elements are same or constant, but of diagonal elements are 0. In a square matrix, diagonal element, except diagonal element, all elements are 0. If it is order 3, then these elements are 0, and then we say diagonal elements may be any number. Sorry, in a square matrix, diagonal elements must be equal or same. All the diagonal elements are same. Then we say this is our scalar matrix. And we can write 4, 0, 0, 4. This is a diagonal matrix of order 2. This is a diagonal elements of order 3. And we can write minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. This is also a diagonal scalar matrix of order 4. Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix and is also square matrix. Okay. Now unit matrix or identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. A square matrix is said to be a unit matrix or identity matrix if diagonal elements are 1 and off diagonal elements are 0. Then we say that is our unit or identity matrix. The unit matrix or identity matrix is generally denoted by I. Okay, and if we write IN, this is the unit matrix. This is an unit matrix of order n. Now, if we write I3 means I is the unit matrix and 3 indicates the its order is 3, that is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is our unit matrix of order 3. Okay. Now, today we will discuss about equality of matrix and algebra of matrix. Today we will discuss about equality of matrix and types of matrix. What is equality of matrix? Equality of matrix means we compare two matrices. If they are equal or same, then we say they are equal or equal. We compare to equality. If they are not equal, then we write matrix A is not equal to B. If we compare A and B are equal, then we write A is equal to B. A and B are equal matrix, then we write A is equal to B. If A and B are not equal, then we write A is not equal to B. First, हमें देखिए केमिति हमें कंपेयर करिबा दीटा मैट्रिक्स को अब केमिति ताको एक्सप्लेन करिबा केमिति हमें जानिबा जे से दीटा मैट्रिक्स इक्वल और नॉट. फर्स्ट A and B are two matrices. A and B are two matrices. If they are said to be equal, there followed some condition. Condition 1. First condition, they are of same order. First, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. If two matrices are said to be equal, then first condition is they are of same order. First रे कोन ना दीटा को मैट्रिक्स जदि हमें इक्वल पई कंपेयर करिबा देखिबा दीटा को मैट्रिक्स रो ऑर्डर सेम अछि कि नै. जदि ऑर्डर सेम नै ताले हमें आगु जिबा दरकार नै. जदि ऑर्डर सेम अछि त माने हमें कहि परियन जे दीटा मैट्रिक्स इक्वल. जदि ऑर्डर सेम अछि ताले हमें आउट ए कंडीशन देखिबा से दीटा को इक्वल के नै. जे से कंडीशन से सैटिस्फाई कला ताले हमें कहबा A and B are or two matrices are equal or same. First condition, they are of same order. हमें order compare करबे ना माने A matrix और B matrix जदि हमें compare करछे A matrix B matrix compare करछे देखियो A matrix रो order माने M cross N अछि. B matrix रो order माने P cross Q अछि. The order of a matrix is M cross N, order of B is P cross Q. First time जदि order equal करिया M cross N और P cross Q केतला हो R number of row M R number of row P if M is equal to P and R number of column N R number of column Q and N of Q मध्ये कोण पडो सेम पडो N is equal to Q. The first condition कोन कहउची order are same means A matrix रे जेतुडा रो थिबो B matrix रे रो थिबो A matrix रे column थिबो B matrix रे भी column थिबो ताहले फर्स्ट कंडीशन वाला सैटिस्फाई कलो. ताहले हमें देखिबा सेकंड कंडीशन कौन कहूँ इक्वालिटी पे सेकंड कंडीशन कौन ना corresponding elements of a second condition कौन the corresponding elements of both matrices are same. That means A matrix रो और B matrix रो corresponding element माने कौन? For example, let matrix A is equal to up order 2 cross 2 and B is also 2 cross 2. Then we can write A11, A12, A21, A22. This is our matrix A of order 2 cross 2. And we write matrix BG also order 2. Means B11, B12, B21, B22. Both are of same order. Then first condition is satisfied. So, अभी देखिए the corresponding elements are also same. Corresponding elements means in the matrix A, first column contain A1 and matrix in matrix B, first column contain B1. Then A1 is equal to B, A11 is equal to B11 and first row second column in A is A12, A12 is equal to in matrix B, first row second column contain B12 and second row first column of A is A21 in B is B21. A21 is equal to B21. Similarly, second row second column of A is equal to second row second column of B. That is A22 is equal to B22. The corresponding elements, every element of A is also same the corresponding element of B. Then we say A and B are equal. In generally, now I go through its definition. The two matrices A and B are said to be equal if first condition is they are same order. Data कौन है order same थिगो and second one is the corresponding elements are also same or equal. That means first condition कहला they are same order. जो दीटा मैट्रिक्स को मैं कंपेयर करिवा देखिए फर्स्ट है दीटा रो ऑर्डर सेम तापर जिबा में जदी ऑर्डर सेम हला तबले मैं सेकंड कंडीशन में जिबा जदी फर्स्ट कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई करने ताले मैं से पॉइंट में लिख देबा A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. जदी फर्स्ट कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई कला ताले मैं सेकंड कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई करछि ना देखिए जदी सेकंड कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई कला then we say A and B are same matrix, that is A is equal to B. मानर फर्स्ट कंडीशन हमरा सैटिस्फाई कला सेकंड कंडीशन जिबा the corresponding elements are also equal or same. that is हमें corresponding elements दीटा को मैट्रिक्स रो देखिए आर फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम जहाँ थी तार फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम तार थियो सेम वैल्यू थियो. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर 4 स्क्वायर 5 स्क्वायर 6 स्क्वायर. This is a matrix and another matrix is 1 4 9 16 25 36. Here two matrices same order, 2 rows 3 column. Here also 2 rows 3 columns. But first row first column contain 1 square means 1. Therefore first row first column same. 2 square means 4. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. 5 square means 25. 6 square means 36. Here order same and also corresponding element. Every element of A, the corresponding element of A and B are same. Then we say A and B are equal. If we write A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, and B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. The order of matrix A is 2 cross 3 and the order of matrix B is 3 cross 2. Here order of A is not equal to order of B. Therefore A and B are not equal. Okay? आम ए कंपेयर करें कोदरा मैट्रिक्स इक्वल हम ना देखिए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सेम है तापर करस्पोंडिंग एलिमेंट सेम है ताले हम कहबा बोथ मैट्रिसेस आर सेम. Now two matrices and we are said to be equal if they have same order and second order the corresponding elements are also same. In other way we can define also let A is equal to Aij. This is our compact form. A is equal to Aij of order m cross n and B is equal to Bij of order P cross Q. Now you compare A and B are equal or not. If we say A and B are equal, if two matrices are following some condition. If A is equal to anything and B is equal to anything, if the two matrices A and B are said to be equal. If two matrices A and B are said to be equal, first condition कौन कहले ना order are same. They have same order. Means M is equal to P and N is equal to Q. M is equal to P and N is equal to Q. And second condition is the corresponding elements are also equal. The corresponding elements are also equal. The corresponding elements are also equal. That is Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. Aij is equal to Bij. Aij means I throw jth column of matrix A is equal to I throw jth column of B. This way we can also define two matrices are equal. Now we go through some example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to A, B, C, D. A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2 and elements are first row 1, 2, second row 3, 4. And similarly the matrix B are also order 2 cross 2 and first row contain A, B, second row C and D. If A is equal to B, if we say two matrices A and B are equal, if and only if A is equal to the corresponding elements, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4, then we say B is equal to A or A is equal to B, or A is equal to B. If we say A is equal to B, then A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Now we go through. This is our equality of matrices. This is our equality of matrices. बुझी पार्छ किछि? Okay, ठीक है. देखो. Now we go through operation on matrices. Operation on matrices means some algebraic operation on matrices. That is, we know algebraic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are normally algebraic operation. If for matrices we shall define addition or sum, addition, subtraction or difference, and multiplication for matrices. आमे मैट्रिक्स को ऐड करि परिया, मैट्रिक्स रो मैट्रिक्स डिफरेंस करि परिया और मैट्रिक्स को मैट्रिक्स रे आमे मल्टीप्लाई करि परिया. तो आमे जिबा फर्स्ट द एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. Addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. हमें किसी मैट्रिक्स को ऐड करिया ପାଇଁ चाहिए. किसी मैट्रिक्स को हमें ऐड करिया ପାଇଁ हमें मैट्रिक्स को मैट्रिक्स रे ऐड करि परिबा. We can add or sum of two matrices, but we cannot add any two matrices. Any two matrices को हमें ऐड कर परिया नहीं. मतलब मैट्रिक्स को हमें ऐड कर परिया. ता माने जदी हमें दीटा मैट्रिक्स और मोर देन टू मैट्रिक्स को हमें ऐड करिया ପାଇଁ चाहिबा से माने भीतर किछ कंडीशन फुलफिल हो पड़ियो. देखो हमें एड मैट्रिक्स को एडिशन करि पारछे किंतु सब जे कोनोसी मैट्रिक्स को हमें एडिशन करि पारना. ता माने there is a some condition. If we can add two matrices, but we cannot add any two matrices. We can add two matrices, but we cannot add any two matrices. For example, if two matrices are conformable for addition, if they are of same order, हमें को मैट्रिक्स को डेटा को ऐड कर परिबा ना जदी सेमानकर ऑर्डर सेम थियो. ओके, जदी डेटा मैट्रिक्स रो ऑर्डर सेम अछि ताले हमें ताको ऐड कर परिबा. अदरवाइज वी कैन नॉट ऐड. If two matrices A is equal to Aij of order m cross n and BBA and B is equal to Bij of order P cross Q, if we can add A and B, if we add A and B, then M is equal to P and N is equal to Q. M रो वैल्यू P से तो A मैट्रिक्स रो जेतुटा रो थिबो B मैट्रिक्स रो रो थिबो, A मैट्रिक्स रो कॉलम थिबो B मैट्रिक्स रो कॉलम थिबो. हला ताले हमें ए मैट्रिक्स को बी मैट्रिक्स रे हम कोन कर परिया ऐड कर परिया ओके A is equal to Aij of order m cross n and B is a matrix of order P cross Q. A matrix में A is m cross n लिखले B matrix B is P cross Q लिखले आमे कौन करिया दीटा मैट्रिक्स पे में जदि ऐड करिबा ताहले हमर कोन हबो ना A matrix ऑर्डर m cross n B matrix ऑर्डर P cross Q data का ऑर्डर कौन हो पड़े फर्स्ट रे इक्वल हो पड़े दैट मींस if the two matrices A and B are conformable for addition if M is equal to P and N is equal to Q. Two matrices A and B are conformable for addition if M is equal to P and N is equal to P. And after addition of A and B, the sum of matrices A and B is a matrix let C is equal to Cij of order m cross n. Cij of order m cross n. If A and B are same order, then we add to or we are conformable for addition to matrices. Then we both are same order means here A matrix of A is m cross n, then also matrix of order B is also m cross n. After addition of two matrices A and B, that matrix may be C, that is also order m cross n. A और B रो order जहाँ थिबो आमे ऐड कला पर जो matrix टाइम पाइबा तार भी order same as A and B. A B रो order जहाँ थिबो ये जो matrix टाइम मल्टीप्लाई ऐड कला पर आमे C order टा भी तार आमे कौन पाइबा same m cross n पाइबा. And Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Cij means the resultant matrix is our C. The elements are Cij. Cij, the elements of C is equal to Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. That means ith row jth column of matrix A plus ith row jth column of matrix B is equal to ith row jth column of matrix C. Then we say that is our addition of two matrices. In this way, we can add two matrices. For example, let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, minus 3, 2. And B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Here we observe a matrix A of order 2 cross 3. A matrix order 2 cross 3 and B also order 2 cross 3. हेले A को गोटे मैट्रिक्स और मैट्रिक्स से एडिट करिया पे बा सम करिया पे हमको कौन कंडीशन दरकार both are of same order एटा order same আছে ते हमें कोन करबे A को B सहित ऐड करबे अब A plus B इज इक्वल हमें कोन लिखा है A मैट्रिक्स plus B मैट्रिक्स 2 3 4 1 minus 3 2 plus 1 2 3 3 2 1 तापरे a plus b को ऐड करला परे हम आउट मैट्रिक्स पाइबा दैट इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम a मैट्रिक्स रो फर्स्ट कॉलम फर्स्ट रो b मैट्रिक्स रो हम को ऐड कर लिखा दैट इज 2 plus 1 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम ऐड करिया तो दिस इज अ 3 plus 2 फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम we can add 4 plus 2 similarly we can add 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 2 plus 1 that is equal to 2 plus 1 3 5 6 4 minus 1 3 when we add matrix A and B we get this is our addition or sum of two matrices okay note if we add A with B that is A plus B then we also define B plus A if A plus B defined that must be B plus A also defined okay another example if A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and another matrix B 1 2 3 4 5 6 can you add two matrices A and B no why now order of A is not equal to order of B order of A is not equal to order of B order of A is 3 cross 2 and order of B is 2 cross 3. Both the matrices have no same order. Not the same order. The order of two matrices are not equal. Then we cannot add A with B or B with A. Okay? Now another note if A be any matrix then the negative of A can be denoted as minus A. Let A be any matrix then minus A is a matrix then minus A is a matrix is defined as every elements of matrix A is multiplied by minus 1. Let A is equal to 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 2 then minus of A is equal to here we multiply minus 1 minus 2 if we multiply minus 3 by minus 1 with minus 1 we get 3 similarly 2 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 2 this is our negative of a matrix A. If A is this then negative of this matrix is this it denoted by if A is denoted by this therefore the negative of matrix is denoted by this and depend also in this way okay. Now the properties of matrix addition. Properties of matrix addition. The first property is commutative property. First property is commutative property. And what is commutative property? We know. Let commutative property of a matrix addition means we can add two matrices A and B. We can add A and B and also add B plus A. A plus B and we define B plus A if both are equal. In matrix addition, A plus B and is equal to B plus A, then we say the matrix multiplication obey commutative property. Matrix addition obey commutative property. Commutative property of matrix addition: if A and B are of same order matrices, and we are of a same order matrices, and we are same order matrices means we can add A with B and also B with A. Then A plus B is equal to B plus A. आमे A को B सहित ऐड कले जो मैट्रिक्स पाइबा B को A सहित ऐड कले से मैट्रिक्स पाइबा. Let A is equal to A ij up order m cross n and B is equal to B ij up order same order with A, it is also m cross n. If we add A with B, that implies A plus B is equal to A ij of order m cross n plus B ij of m cross n. This is equal to A ij plus B ij of m cross n. ने आर जो रो जो कॉलम एलिमेंट नबा तार से रो रो से कॉलम एलिमेंट नबा मिसे के लिखबा तो A plus B रो से कॉलम तक हमें लिखिबा. Then we can write in this way. This is a number and this is a number. In number, any number are commutative property, having commutative property. Then if we write this way, then we can write also this is a number A ij plus B ij can be written as B ij plus A ij of order m cross n. Then A ij plus B ij plus A ij of order 11. Okay, this can be written as B ij of m cross n plus A ij of m cross n. This is equal to, this is our B matrix, this is our P matrix and this is our A matrix. Then we can write this B plus A. Therefore first कौन लिखले A plus B हम पहले कौन B plus A. Therefore A plus B is equal to B plus A. So matrix addition is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. Now go through some example. For A is equal to 1 2 minus 3 2 4 minus 1 and B is equal to 3 2 4 minus 6 2 minus 2 7. The matrix A is 1 2 minus 3 2 4 minus 1 and B is the matrix 3 2 4 minus 6 2 minus 2 7. The order of this matrix is through 2 cross 3 and also matrix B is also order 2 cross 3. Then first we add A plus B. A plus B means 1 2 minus 3 2 4 minus 1. Add with the B matrix 3 2 4 minus 6 minus 2 7. That is equal to 1 plus 3. But I will like 1 plus 3 that is 4. 2 plus 2 that is 4. Minus 3 plus 4 that is 1. 2 plus minus 6, that is minus 4, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 1 plus 7, that is 6. This is our A plus B. Now we find B plus A is equal to, matrix B is this one, 3, 2, 4, minus 6, minus 2, 7. This is our B matrix, and add with the matrix A. A matrix is 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 4, minus 1, 2, 4, minus 1. Then this plus this is equal to, corresponding element evaluate 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 means 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus minus 3, that is also 1, minus 6 plus 2, that is equal to minus 4, minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 2, 7 plus minus 1, that is equal to 6. From 1 and 2, A plus is equal to 4, 4, 1 minus 4 to 6, and B plus is equal to 4, 4, 1 minus 2 minus 4 to 6. Now compare these two matrices. There first column, here first order same, 2 plus 3, here also 2 plus 3. First column same, first or second column same, first or third column same. Similarly all the elements of A plus B and B plus are same. Then we say A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is our commutative property. Follow matrix addition. Okay. Now, associative property. Second property is associative. Associative property. Associative property means if A, B, C are three matrices of same order, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. हमें तीनटा सेम ऑर्डर में मैट्रिक्स नबा फर्स्ट टाइम को A को B को ऐड करदा से मैट्रिक्स से तमे C को ऐड करिवा तापरे ये हमें पहले A plus B then plus C हमें को A मैट्रिक्स रखिथिबा B C को फर्स्ट ऐड करिवा जहां सिला A से तक हमें ऐड करिवा. This is our A plus B plus C. If you write in this way or both sides are equal, then we say the associative property holds good. Okay. Now, for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4 minus 1. B is equal to 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 3, 2. And C is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 3 minus 3. A is equal to this matrix of order 3 cross 2, and B is the matrix of also order 3 cross 2, and C is also order 3 cross 2. We can add A with B, that is also 3 cross 2, and then add C, that is also we can add. For A plus B plus C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4 minus 1 plus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 3, 2 plus matrix C 1, 2, 2, 1, 3 minus 3. First to add these two matrix, that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus minus 1, 1, 4 plus 3, 7, minus 1 to 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus minus 1, 1, 4 plus 3, 7, minus 1 plus 2, plus 1, plus 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, minus 3. That is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 1 2, 5 7 plus 3 10, 1 plus minus 3 that is minus. This is our A plus B plus C. Okay, now write the values here. A plus B plus C is equal to 3 7 7 2 10 2 minus 2. Now we add A plus B plus C. That is, first we add, this is our A matrix, this is our B matrix, and this is our C matrix. Then we can first add B with C. That is equal to matrix say 1 2 3 2 4 minus 1. Now we add first B with C. That is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 2 4, minus 1 plus 1 0, 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus minus 3, 2 plus minus 3, that is our 2 plus minus 3 minus 1. Now we add this 2, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 4 7, 2 plus 0 2, 4 plus 6 10, minus 1 that is minus 2. And we get A plus B plus C is equal to this. Now we compare A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. Both matrices are same. It is first row content 3 7, here also 3 7, 7 2, 7 2, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2. Therefore, both matrices are same. Okay? Now, existence of additive identity. Additive identity means कौन बुझे additive identity बहुत तरह कोई अच्छी additive identity means हमें जति गोटे नंबर रे हमें किसी ऐड करिया हमें कौन पाएगा सेम नंबर पाएगा जो नंबर टा ऐड करिया that is our additive identity. For any matrix A, there is a matrix, there is a null matrix of same order A, such that A plus 0 matrix or null matrix is equal to 0 plus A matrix is equal to A. हमें A matrix रे गोटे 0 matrix ऐड करबे सेम ऑर्डर रो तो हमें कोन पाएगा A matrix ही पाएगा. Therefore 0 matrix is known as additive identity. So any matrix that exists a additive identity. Therefore null matrix is known as additive identity of any matrix. Null matrix is the additive identity of any matrix. Okay. Now, existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse हमें कहाँ को कहते हैं? देखो हमें गोटे नंबर ले देखो एमती ऐड करिवा से कौन पाइबा result 0. Then we say जो नंबर टाको हमें ऐड करिबा that is our additive inverse. Okay, for any matrix A, there is a matrix minus a mu kohi minus is the negative of A. For any matrix A, there exists a minus A such that A plus minus A is equal to 0 is equal to minus A plus. That is, the matrix minus A is the additive inverse of A. Minus is the additive inverse of A. Okay. Now, cancellation law. Cancellation property or loss. Cancellation property or loss. What is cancellation law? Now, if A, B, C are three matrices of a same order, A, B, C are three matrices of a same order, then A plus C is equal to A plus B. A plus C is equal to A plus C. This implies C is equal to B. A plus C is equal to A plus B. This implies C is equal to B. This law is known as left cancellation law. This law is known as left cancellation law. C लिखिए C for cancellation. This is known as left cancellation law. Again, B plus A is equal to C plus A. If B plus A is equal to C plus A, this implies if A plus C is equal to A plus B, this implies C is equal to B. If B plus A is equal to C plus A, this implies B is equal to C. This law is known as right cancellation law. This law is known as right cancellation law. Okay. आज हम लिखिले equality of matrices. We will discuss about equality of matrices and addition of matrices and also properties of matrices. Now next class we will discuss about subtraction and multiplication of matrices. Okay, thank you.